The all-solid-state battery, with high energy density and stable characteristics, is expected to be a game-changer that accelerates the adoption of electric vehicles. Honda is developing its own all-solid-state battery for mass production. In 2024, Honda established a demonstration production line in a 27,000 square meter facility in Sakura City, Tochigi Prefecture, Japan, to accelerate research aimed at mass production. The demonstration production facility consists of the C1 building for cathode formation and cell assembly, the C2 building for anode formation, and the C3 building for electrolyte activation and module assembly. Honda is introducing advanced techniques to shorten the time required to produce a single unit, the takt time. Honda is working to establish high-speed production technologies to achieve low-cost manufacturing. The cathode in the all-solid-state battery is formed by applying a paste-like mixture of materials and solvent onto an aluminum foil substrate. Speeding up the mixing of this paste into a homogeneous slurry is key to reducing costs. For this purpose, Honda has adopted a continuous inline mixer, unlike the batch method typically used for liquid-state lithium-ion batteries. Honda is aiming for processing speeds more than 3 times faster than with batch processing. To form the cathode, Honda uses intermittent slurry coating, intentionally leaving certain areas of the aluminum foil substrate uncoated. The aim is to form the insulation frame in a single process, thus streamlining production. In all solid-state batteries, the cathode and solid electrolyte must be densified applying several times the pressure used in making liquid-state lithium-ion batteries. The denser the material, the more actively ions can flow, increasing energy density and power density, charging and discharging speeds for a given volume. To form the cathode, Honda has developed a continuous densification pressing technique using multiple rollers. By applying different pressures in stages, Honda aims to achieve a high-density, highly uniform cathode. Honda has also developed a continuous roll-to-roll assembly process, sandwiching the anode between 2 cathodes. A key feature of this demonstration production facility is that even though it's designed for testing, all equipment is production scale. This eliminates the need for scaling adjustments or production method revisions, enabling a smooth transition to full-scale production. With the aim of starting mass production in the second half of the 2020s, Honda is developing all-solid-state battery production technology as part of its commitment to help realize a carbon-neutral society.